Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to open a TFSA in Canada and buy your first ETF or stock step by step, even if you have never invested before. By the end of this video, you will know what to click, what to avoid, and how to make your first trade without feeling confused. First, let's keep it simple. A TFSA is a tax-free savings account. Despite the name, it's not just for saving. You can also use it to invest in stocks and ETFs. And the big advantage is that your growth can happen tax-free inside this account. This means that if your investment goes up over time, you do not have to pay tax on the gains that you made within this account. To open a TFSA in Canada, you generally need to be a Canadian resident and be 18 years and above in most of the provinces. One very important thing, TFSA contribution room is limited, so you need to know how much room you have before you make your deposit. For this video, I'll be using a self-directed investment account because that's the easiest way to buy your own stock or ETF. Popular beginner platforms in Canada includes Wealthsimple, Questrade, and even your banks. The exact platform doesn't matter as much as understanding the process. If you're a total beginner, look for something that is low cost, beginner friendly, and easy to navigate. Step 1 is to log in or create your investment account. Once you are in, look for something like Open Account, Add Account, or New Account. Then select TFSA. From there, you enter your personal details, verify your identity, and answer a few questions just to ascertain your risk levels. This part usually takes a few minutes. Once your TFSA is open, the next step is to put money into it. Usually, you will link your bank account and then transfer money over. Some platforms also let you transfer money by bill payment or other transfer methods. If this is your first time, I recommend you begin by depositing a smaller amount and make sure it is successful before you go in to deposit the actual amount you'd want to deposit. Before you invest, you need to make sure that you have enough TFSA contribution room. Your contribution room depends on factors like your residential status, your age, your previous TFSA contributions and withdrawals. The CRA tracks this, but it's totally your responsibility to make sure that you don't go over your limits. Now comes the exciting part, what you should actually buy. If you want a simple first investment, an ETF is usually the easiest place to start because it gives you diversification in one purchase. A stock is just one company, which can be exciting, but it comes with more risk because your money depends on that one business. So if you are brand new, an ETF is often the more beginner-friendly choice. Now, I'll show you how to place the trade. First, search for the ticker symbol. Don't search randomly by the company name if the platform you are using gives you the ticker symbol option. Next, decide how many units you would want to buy. Then choose your order type. A market order buys right away at the current price, whilst a limit order buys when it reaches the level of price that you set to it. If you're a beginner, a limit order can give you a little more control. Here are the biggest beginner mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't buy just because it is trending on social media. 2. Don't put in money you might need very soon. 3. Don't ignore TFSA contribution limits. And last but not the least, don't wait forever for the perfect time because getting started matters more than being perfect. If you want the easiest long-term approach, set up regular contributions every month. Then buy the same ETF or the same investment plan consistently. This helps you build the habit, remove the emotions, and make investing feel simple instead of stressful. The goal is not to predict the market perfectly. The goal is to stay consistent. So now you know how to open a TFSA, fund it, and check your contribution room. You also know how to buy your first stock or ETF. Congratulations! If this was your first time, the most important thing is that you now understand the process. The first trade is always the hardest. After that, everything gets easier. In my next video, I'm going to show you or give you my opinion on the ETFs I'll buy if I was a first-time investor. If you have watched the video this far, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on your notification button to be notified every time I drop a video. Also remember, this is not financial advice, so please make sure you do your own research before you decide to invest in anything. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.